How to boost FPS for individual games on Android. This tutorial shows you how to increase the frame rate and resolution for each game separately using Game Booster. First, open the Gaming Hub app on your Android device. After that, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Game Booster to open the performance settings. At this point, tap on Customization to see individual game settings. In the next step, find and select the game you want to boost from the list. Following this, tap on Game Optimization and make sure it is set to Performance mode. Once done, tap on FPS to open the frame rate settings. From here, you'll notice the slider is set to 20 by default. At this stage, drag the slider all the way to the right to set it to 60 FPS for the smoothest possible gameplay experience. After this, go back and tap on Screen Resolution to open the resolution settings. Once completed, drag that slider all the way to the right as well to get the highest resolution available for that game. Finally, launch the game and you should notice a significant improvement in both smoothness and visual quality right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you boost the FPS and resolution for your games on Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.